Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Winter can be brutal on your skin, especially your hands. They're constantly exposed to the elements and dry indoor heat, which can leave them feeling rough and irritated. That's why I wanted to share my top 16 favorite hand creams to help you get through the colder months. So sit back, relax, and get ready to say goodbye to dry winter hands. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. First up, we have the L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream. It's formulated with 20% shea butter, known for its deeply nourishing properties. It also contains honey, almond extracts, and coconut oil to help soften and protect your skin. What I love most is that it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave behind any greasy residue. This hand cream is a little on the pricier side, but a little goes a long way. If you're looking for a luxurious treat for your hands, I highly recommend checking out the L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream. If you're dealing with extremely dry or cracked hands, then you need a heavy-duty cream like the Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. It's formulated with ceramide 3 and alpha-hydroxy acids to exfoliate dead skin cells and repair the skin's natural barrier. It also contains shea butter and glycerin to hydrate and soften the skin. I find that this hand cream is best used at night before bed. When I wake up in the morning, my hands are noticeably softer and smoother. If you're struggling with dry winter hands, I highly recommend giving the Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream a try. For those who prefer a more natural approach to skincare, I recommend the Grown Alchemist Hand Cream. This hand cream is formulated with sweet almond oil, rosehip oil, and aloe vera. It's also free of parabens, sulfates, and other harsh chemicals. It's very lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it a great option for everyday use. Their products are cruelty-free and packaged in recyclable materials. If you're looking for a natural, effective, and environmentally friendly hand cream, the Grown Alchemist Hand Cream is worth checking out. Next up is a more affordable option that delivers amazing results: the Vaseline Radiant X Deep Nourishment Hand Butter. It's formulated with micro droplets of Vaseline jelly to lock in moisture and protect your skin. It also contains shea butter and cocoa butter to nourish and soften the skin. This hand cream has a rich, creamy texture that glides on smoothly and absorbs quickly. I also appreciate that this hand cream comes in a variety of sizes, so you can easily toss one in your purse, gym bag, or desk drawer. The Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Hand Cream has been a drugstore staple for years, and it's still one of my favorites. It's formulated with concentrated glycerin, a powerful humectant that attracts and holds moisture to the skin. This hand cream is incredibly effective at healing dry, chapped hands. It's also fragrance-free, which makes it a great option for people with sensitive skin. It's also very affordable, which is always a plus. If you're looking for a no-frills hand cream that gets the job done, the Neutrogena Norwegian Formula hand cream is a great option. The Avène Cicalfate Restorative Hand Cream is another great option for those with dry, sensitive skin. It's formulated with Avène thermal spring water, known for its soothing and anti-irritating properties. It also contains sucralfate to promote skin healing, and copper sulfate and zinc sulfate to prevent bacterial growth. It's fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making it a great option for people with eczema or psoriasis. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective hand cream for sensitive skin, I highly recommend the Avène Cicalfate Restorative Hand Cream. If you're looking for a hand cream that can withstand even the harshest conditions, look no further than O'Keeffe's Working Hands Cream. It's formulated with a high concentration of glycerin to attract and retain moisture. It also contains paraffin, which creates a protective barrier on the skin to prevent moisture loss. This hand cream is incredibly effective at healing even the driest, most cracked hands. It's also fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making it a great option for people with sensitive skin. If you're looking for a hand cream that can really stand up to the test, O'Keeffe's Working Hands Cream is the one for you. Another great option for those with extremely dry or cracked hands is the Kiehl's Ultimate Strength Hand Salve. It's formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients like avocado oil, sesame seed oil, and eucalyptus oil. It's also rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the skin from environmental damage. This hand salve is incredibly thick and rich, perfect for nighttime use. It's also fragrance-free, which makes it a great option for people with sensitive skin. If you're looking for a luxurious and effective hand treatment, Kiehl's Ultimate Strength Hand Salve is a great option. For those who prefer a lighter hand cream, I recommend the EltaMD So Silky Hand Cream. This hand cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. It's also fragrance-free and oil-free, making it a great option for people with sensitive or acne-prone skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave behind any greasy residue. If you're looking for a lightweight yet effective hand cream, EltaMD So Silky Hand Cream is a great option. For a truly luxurious hand treatment, I recommend the Soft Services TheraPlush Overnight Repair Treatment. This hand cream is designed to be used as an overnight mask, and it's one of my favorite ways to pamper my hands. It's formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients like shea butter, mango butter, and cocoa butter. When I wake up in the morning, my hands are incredibly soft, smooth, and hydrated. If you're looking for a luxurious and effective hand treatment, the Soft Services TheraPlush Overnight Repair Treatment is a great option. The Evolve Together Monaco Hydrating Hand Cream is another great option for those looking for a natural and effective hand cream. It's formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients like shea butter, aloe vera, and jojoba oil. It's also fragrance-free and vegan, making it a great option for people with sensitive skin or who are looking for vegan-friendly products. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave behind any greasy residue. If you're looking for a natural and effective hand cream, Evolve Together Monaco Hydrating Hand Cream is a great option. For those who are concerned about the signs of aging on their hands, I recommend the Clarins Super Restorative Hand Cream. This hand cream is formulated with ingredients that help to reduce the appearance of age spots and wrinkles. It also contains sunscreen, essential for protecting your hands from the sun's harmful rays. If you're looking for a hand cream that can help to improve the appearance of your hands, the Clarins Super Restorative Hand Cream is a great option. The La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Hand Cream is another great option for those with dry, sensitive skin. It's formulated with La Roche-Posay Thermale Spring Water, known for its soothing and anti-irritating properties. It also contains glycerin and shea butter to help hydrate and protect the skin. It's fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making it a great option for people with eczema or psoriasis. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective hand cream for sensitive skin, I highly recommend the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Hand Cream. For those who like to pamper their hands overnight, I recommend the 10/10 The Sleep Mask. This hand mask is designed to be worn overnight, and it's one of my favorite ways to give my hands some extra TLC. It's formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, and hyaluronic acid. When I wake up in the morning, my hands are incredibly soft, smooth, and hydrated. If you're looking for a luxurious and effective hand treatment, 10/10. The Sleep Mask is a great option. For those who prefer a more natural hand cream, I recommend the Dionysus Milk and Honey Goat Milk Hand Cream. This hand cream is formulated with goat milk, a natural moisturizer that is gentle on the skin. It's also fragrance-free and paraben-free, making it a great option for people with sensitive skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave behind any greasy residue. If you're looking for a natural and effective hand cream, Dionysus Milk and Honey Goat Milk hand cream is a great option. Last but not least, we have the Aveeno Intense Relief Hand Cream. This hand cream is a great option for those with very dry, itchy skin. It's formulated with colloidal oatmeal, known for its soothing and moisturizing properties. It's also fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making it a great option for people with sensitive skin. If you're looking for a hand cream that can provide intense relief from dryness and itchiness, Aveeno Intense Relief Hand Cream is a great option. Thanks for sticking around to the very end. I hope this video helped you discover your new go-to hand cream for the winter. Remember, having soft, hydrated hands is within reach, no matter your skin type or budget. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching.